Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into tracking product quality issues using Monday.com, your 2025 complete guide. Kick things off by opening your Monday board. The reason we start here is because this is the central hub where all your tasks are listed. Now, navigate to the board you want to monitor for product quality issues. Next up, let's create an issues group. Click on the New button, select Group, and name it Product Quality Issues. This helps us because it allows us to categorize and clearly delineate our quality control tasks from other activities. Now that we've done that, let's create columns for issue description, date reported, severity, and status. To do this, click on +Add Column and select the appropriate column type for each. This is crucial as it helps us document each issue's specifics from its description to its current status. But we're not done yet. The next step is to set up automations. Click on the Automations icon and select Create New. Choose the When Status Changes to Something, Notify Someone automation. This will ensure that the relevant team members are instantly alerted when a product quality issue arises. Now you might be wondering, why is this important? Let me explain why this matters. By setting up this automation, you're ensuring that your team can respond to quality issues in a timely manner, thus preventing minor problems from escalating into major ones. Lastly, don't forget to apply filters to your issue tracking board. Click on the filter icon, then set your preferences. This helps us because it allows us to view only the relevant information we need, which is especially useful when you're dealing with a large number of issues. And just like that, you're all set up to track product quality issues in Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll be able to monitor, manage, and respond to product quality issues effectively. Remember, keeping on top of quality issues is key to maintaining your product's high standards. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more useful guides and tips.